Hey guys, Jay here from AceVacuum. Today we're going to do a quick video on how the M1200 functions as a vacuum. Here I have my good friend the dog here, and we're going to discuss what happens when the dog sheds all over the carpet and leaves us a big mess. Here I have the Dyson DC65 Animal Complete, designed to deal with all the tough stuff including the pet hair. Over here I've got my Maytag M1200R. It's got your manual height adjustment back here. It also comes standard with the 5-year top to bottom warranty. We just want to see how these things react to the toughest situation, which is going to be the sand. So first I'll show you the Dyson, guys. And now I'll run the Maytag M1200. Back to the Dyson. Let's quickly see if there was anything left behind over here. So guys, when you need a good vacuum to deal with our friend here, we've got the right one for you over at AceVacuums. It's called the Maytag M1200. You can visit us online at www.acevacuums.com. Call us here at 571-209-5881. Or, as always, come into the store. We'd love to see you. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.